Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to search image in Bluewillow. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and please do not skip the video. Let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, you have to go to this Bluewillow interface. I'm going to put the link for this in my description box. You can access it for free from there. Then after landing on this software, you have to scroll down until you see this rookie option. After you reach this option, you have to click this message box and then you have to put a / and select this one for a prompt and then write anything over here. For example, I'm writing sun. And now to search the image, you have this option on the top right corner of the screen. You can see there's this search bar. You can use this search bar to search for the image. Like you have these options here. You can search it from user, from mentions, or the links embedded or file before the specific date, during the specific date, after the specific date, or pinned true or false. Guys, this is an easy way that you can search for an image. I hope you liked this process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.